Hi there. Did you know, as per the recent RBI circular, NBFCs must implement a technology-driven compliance solutions by June 30, 2024? In a recent circular, the Reserve Bank of India has directed all upper and middle layer NBFCs and other regulated entities to carry out a comprehensive review of their existing internal compliance monitoring processes and implement necessary changes to existing process and install a suitable new system, latest by June 30, 2024. Therefore, all RBI-directed entities must implement a comprehensive, integrated, enterprise-wide, and workflow-based solution. Some of the features prescribed by RBI are: process of identifying, assessing, monitoring and managing compliance requirements, effective communication and collaboration among all the stakeholders, escalation of issues of non-compliance, recording of the approval of competent authority for deviations or delay in compliance submission, unified dashboard view of compliance position of the RE as a whole for the senior management. Looking for a solution? Don't worry, we got you covered. Presenting Komrisk, your one-stop solution for all your compliance needs. Here's a quick view of the RBI's requirement and what Komrisk offers. Comprehensive database of identified applicable compliance and compliance tasks. Assign, reassign, split, and schedule compliance tasks as per your own requirements, including sending emails through the tool to take corrective actions. Compliance process through defined workflows, and a flexible escalation mechanism up to 10 levels. Uploading of proofs of compliances to substantiate completion of task, including marking task in work in progress stage, in case of deviations or delays. Real-time dashboard to enable senior management assess the current status and potential risks of pending compliances across all entities, operating units, and departments. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to us today. Call us at 033 4061 8083 or email us at inquiries@lexplosion.in. Visit www.lexplosion.in for more details.